Hi loves, if you are new to my channel, my name is AshecaLee, and for my returning subscribers, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how I pretty much got this very dewy, nice golden springtime look for you guys. Now I used all affordable products, and I feel like the way that this turned out is like so beautiful. I'm like, I don't know, like I'm just really excited with the way that this turned out. It looks so good, you guys, and the eyeshadow look that we accomplished in this video is very simple as well. So my beginners out there, you guys can definitely do this as well. And y'all, I am looking like a glowy bronzed goddess right now. Like what? So if y'all want to look like this, then just keep on watching, duh. Alright, so my eyebrows are done. I did them off camera just because I feel like you guys see me do them all the time, and my eyebrow routine has not changed. So what I used on my brows was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ebony, and I just went ahead and carved them out with some concealer, the Born This Way Too Faced concealer. And yeah, I also applied the concealer to my eyelids because we are about to jump into the eyeshadow. Alright, so we are going to be doing a glowy, dewy look for the springtime. You can't go wrong with a gold eye, so I feel like, we're going to dip into that just a little bit today. So the two palettes that we're going to be dipping into for this look are the Juvia's Place palettes. This one is the Afrique and this one is the Saharan, and I feel like I haven't used these in a minute, so we're gonna put these to use today to get the eye look that we're going for. Okay, so first, before I even dip into any eyeshadow, I'm just gonna go over my concealer, making sure that I just press out any creasing that may have come up. So next we're gonna go into our first shade, which is Cameroon and Kissy, and I'm going to focus this color mainly on the outer corner and halfway in our eye. And I just zoomed up so that you guys can see a bit better. You guys know that I kind of like the up close view when I'm doing eyeshadow, just so you guys can get a cleaner look on what I'm doing. So right now you guys just see me packing the two colors on, and I'm using circular motions to do this. I feel like using the circular motions definitely help apply more product onto the eye, as well as blending it out so it doesn't look really harsh. And you want to apply some pressure when you're doing this. And then you want to use a light hand and back and forth swiping motions right at the top of the eyeshadow, just to create like a very soft and natural blend. You want everything to blend very nicely, so you want to take your time when you're doing this so that everything looks really nice and even. Alright, so the next color we're going to dip into is that black shade, and we're literally just taking a very small amount of this color because we just want to deepen up our crease just a little bit. When I say the smallest amount, the smallest amount. We don't want this to turn into a smoky eye because we still want this look to be kind of like brown toned. So you really just want to take the smallest amount of black just to add some definition to our eyes. When I say subtle, I mean subtle, because black is the game changer. You add too much black, it turns into a smoky eye. And we don't want to do a smoky eye for this look. We just kind of want it to be super subtle and nice and sultry looking. So that's why we're adding the black. And then we're going to go back in with those brown shades, and we're going to go over the black shade just to tone everything down and blend everything back together. Okay, so now it is time to apply our shimmery shade. So I feel like we have a nice range of glittery shades in these two palettes. So I think I'm gonna mix both of the glittery shades together. So the Senegal and the Kofi. Just going to take this on a flat brush, and what I'm gonna do, actually, I think I'm gonna change the brush I'm using because I want the gold to kind of look fanned out. So I'm gonna go in with a more fluffy brush, and I'm gonna dip into both of the colors, tap off the excess, and I'm just going to fan this on my lid. And I'm just kind of like tapping the outer corners with that brown shade just to blend everything back together. All right, so this part is what's going to bring our eyes to that beautiful look. So I know a lot of you guys are not the best with eyeliner, and that is okay. I feel like you can definitely put your lashes on with this eye look and, you know, you'll still look as beautiful. But for me, I just kind of want like a little bit of oomph to the look. So I am going to add some eyeliner to this look. So the way I'm going to add my eyeliner is going to be a little bit different. So I ran out of my gel liner. So I'm going to use eyeshadow to do the eyeliner for this look. And I'm going to dip into... I think I want to use brown to do the eyeliner. So I'm going to take like a very dark brown eyeshadow shade. So then I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush, and I'm just going to kind of smoke it out just a little bit. And then we're gonna go back into the brown shades that we used. And right now I'm just going in with some of that black as well, just to bring some of it back. And then going back in with the brown. I'm blending everything out. Okay, yes, dramatic. And I know that everyone does not like big lashes or, you know, full lashes, but I love full lashes. You can wear your thin lashes or, you know, your natural looking lashes. Your preference. This is my preference. I love lashes like this. So right now I'm just wiping away the fallout from the eyeshadow. And now we are going to jump onto our face. So what we have to do to create that glowy, dewy look, especially for the springtime, is we definitely need to layer on some products that will have our skin looking beautiful and glowing, okay? Right now I'm gonna go in with the Milani Prep and Smooth Camellia Face Oil. I love this. This is by far one of my favorite products. I ain't gonna lie, doing my rubbing in my oil right now without any nails on are like, it feels weird. Definitely feels weird. Oh my goodness. But I'm sure the nail salons will be opening soon after all of this corona lockdown madness. So next I'm going in with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, and this one is in the Smell Rose. Please don't look too hard at my nails. I know, okay? I know, all right? Those press-ons that you guys saw in the last video lasted about a day. Like, so right now we are naturaling it out. So don't come for me, okay? So right now you guys can see our face is looking very, to you guys is looking greasy, but to me it's looking real hydrated, okay? And I just love a nice hydrated looking skin. Just, I don't know, looks great, feels great. And I am just pressing all of the product in my face right now. So next I'm gonna go in with the MAC Stroke Cream. I love this stuff, you guys. When I say that I use this under my foundation all of the time, this is a part of like my everyday basic face routine. I have to put this on always. This is the travel size, so your girl gotta get the full size soon. I actually tried this out. That's why I got the travel size, and then once I knew that I liked it, I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna wait till that one finish and then I'll go ahead and buy the full size one. But I love it. I use it all of the time and it's just bomb. So right now you guys see that my skin is glowing. It's looking really nice, and now we are going to apply our foundation. So the foundation I'm gonna be using today, it's an oldie but it's a goodie, is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade Toffee. I feel like it's been forever since I even touched this foundation. I don't know why, but I just been using everything else but this. I guess because I've just been coming up on some good foundations as well, but this is definitely a good foundation. You guys are probably like, well, why did I use a matte foundation? The reason why I used a matte foundation is because I like to apply my products in a way of a balance, so I don't want everything to be dewy products. The reason why I do this is because my face already produces oil on its own, so add that to a dewy product, multiple dewy products, it's just not gonna end well, and we're gonna look super glazed and oily, and I don't want to look that way. I just want to look like naturally dewy, if that makes sense. And a lot of you guys asked me what brush I'm using to apply my foundation. This is the Real Techniques Instapop face brush. I got this on Amazon because I feel like they don't have them in the stores. Now for concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 330. And I also feel like I haven't used this concealer in a minute. Honestly, y'all, I actually need to do some makeup shopping because I finished my NARS concealer. I finished a whole bunch of products actually, and I just haven't bought it. Like, I haven't restocked on some of my favorite products. Y'all know this is my favorite part, so I get kind of happy. So while we let our concealer sit on our face for a bit so we can become a little bit more full coverage, I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. I haven't used this product in a minute either. I don't know. I feel like I have just been trying to do so much affordable videos for you guys that I've just been forgetting about like my great high-end products. So I'm kind of just swiping the brush on it and then going in and applying it to my face. I kind of feel like this product definitely dries faster when you apply it straight on your face. So that's why I like to use the brush. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and blend out my concealer. I'm going to use my foundation brush first. On my chin, on my lip. And then I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with the brush that I use to cream contour. And I'm just going to drag the excess on the sides of my nose. Alright, and to set my concealer in place, I'm going to go in with my Airspun Loose Face Setting Powder. You guys ask me the shade of this all the time. It's Translucent Extra Coverage 07041. And now for contour, I'm gonna use my Morphe bronzer palette. So this is a bronzer and a contour. And I'm using this side because I feel like the shimmers in the bronzer will add to the look that we're going for. Do you guys see the difference of what just happened to my face? Like, wait, that looks really good. And then we're gonna use the excess on the sides of our nose. We're gonna go in and dust away that powder. Next, we're gonna dip into our blush. This is the e.l.f. palette. And I'm gonna actually use all of the shades. And I'm using this palette because all of the shades in here actually have shimmer in it. So I feel like this would definitely add to our, you know, kind of like shimmery, glowy look that we have going on. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go in with brown in my waterline, and I'm gonna attempt to use my lip liner. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in and use the same first two brown shades that we used, and I'm gonna use this color to smoke out our lower lash line. Oh man, the face you make when you're doing your lower lash line. But if you got a cuter one, just let me know, okay? I'm just trying not to poke myself in the eye. So now I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Hangover Spray. I'm gonna be taking the NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. Alright, so for lipstick, I'm using the Morphe lipstick in the shade Cream Shady. It's just like a very nice nudie color. Y'all knew I wasn't doing nothing else. So y'all know I'm not leaving this matte, right? So I'm gonna go in with my lip gloss, and I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline. To top off our face, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Glow Kits. You guys know this is my favorite highlighting palette ever. And I'm gonna dip into bronze and tourmaline. I feel like this is gonna give us a beautiful glow. Look at that, wow. Next, we're going to spray our face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Alrighty loves, so that pretty much completes the look for this video. I love the way that it turned out, and I hope you did too. If you enjoyed it, then you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your girl's channel, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to comment the emoji of the video, which is right here. So go ahead and comment those down in the comment section, just to let me know that you guys made it towards the end of the video and that you guys also enjoyed it. And yeah, before we go, today's motivational quote is, sometimes people hate you because of the way other people love you. That is a word, okay? So yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.